SDLC stands for Software Development Lifecycle. It's a structured process that outlines the stages involved in developing software, from conception to deployment and maintenance. While there are variations, the typical stages include planning, defining the project scope, objectives, requirements, and resources needed. Analysis, gathering and analyzing requirements from stakeholders to understand what the software needs to accomplish. Design, creating a detailed blueprint of the software's architecture, user interface, and functionality. Implementation, coding, writing the actual code based on the design specifications. Testing, evaluating the software to identify and fix defects, ensuring it meets the requirements and functions correctly. Deployment, releasing the software to users or customers, often involving installation, configuration, and training. Maintenance, providing ongoing support, updates, and improvements to the software to keep it functional and up to date. SDLC methodologies like Waterfall, Agile, and DevOps offer different approaches to managing these stages, catering to various project requirements, team structures, and development philosophies. Each stage typically feeds into the next, with feedback loops to address issues and refine the product throughout the development process.